Austin, and we are teaching people how drones can save the world.
It's Keon, and we are making a drone that can save the world, and and what it basically does is it can bring back dinosaurs, and it's called a 3D print.
Hi, my name is Robin, and this is how it works.
We're going to explain how it works. We'll like the parts of it. And so here we have the dino DNA. It would go in a tube down here, probably. I don't know. It would go down here into the tube, and it would mix with the ink or something like that, and they would like do the dino thing. And then here are like the electric wires that like power it up. And now he's going to explain the rest.
These are the four propellers, 1, 2, 3, and 4. And this is where it prints.
Dinosaurs, if you bring them back and if you train them, they might bring meat to the farmers, and I think that's good, and labs.
So when you're training the dino, if you don't train it extremely well and you're not fully protected when you're training it, then it might take a bite out of your arm or something. If you forget to feed it, then at night you're probably going to be gone after.
You must get a 3D print. Then you can get like so many dinosaurs as pets. Can you please get this?
Hello. And I will be telling you why we are doing this. I don't know, probably because we all like dinosaurs, or maybe because we like Jurassic Park, or maybe because dinosaurs are awesome, or because Mr. DNA is awesome also. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe.
You must get this.
Ketchup is part of my life.
Rawr, 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 rawr. You might get T-Rex. Nom, 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 this video. Fidget. 3, 2, 1.